Zhejiang Kuayue Printing Company Limited, established in 2001, is a professional engaged in the research, manufacture, sale and service of food packaging bag, pet food packaging bag, liquid spout pouch, coffee bag, and roll film. We are located in China Printing City, Longgang Printing Demonstration Industrial Park. Our company occupies an area of 14,800 square meters. The construction area is 8,717 square meters. The registered capital of 22 million yuan. The existing staff 106 people, including 20 professional and technical personnel, have obtained the printing industry certificates. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In addition, we have obtained ISO 14001 Environmental Management System Certification, ISO 45001 Occupational Health and Safety Management System Certification, and ISO 9001 Quality Management System Certification certificates. Selling well in all cities and provinces around China, our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as United States, Japan, Australia, Southeast Asia, and the Middle East countries and regions. The company is in line with the high priority of quality and honesty to win trust, new progress, harmony, which is the most valuable purposes to achieve mutual benefit and a win-win, brilliant era.